what's up? It's Brian Pfeiffer, the owner of ExploringLasVegas.com. All right, so a little bit about this place. In 2025, they're going to actually be remodeling the inside of the Marquee Nightclub. Okay, so Marquee Nightclub is not open for the remainder of this year. Probably, maybe you'll see it in Q4. Okay, when the pool is closed. So right now, Marquee our nightclub is operating in the day club area. Okay, so Sundays were always like the night swim party. Well, now Friday, Saturday, and Sunday are going to be like a night swim party. So you can dress like this with a tank top, shorts, flip-flops, tennis shoes, or you can dress in normal club gear and, enjoy the party as well. So probably 50% of the people in normal club gear, 50% of the people in swim attire. And they're going to have, their normal kind of DJs. I just have Timmy Trumpet over here. They sometimes have DJ Vice. Occasionally like a Paulie C or a DeRoe or somebody a little bit bigger. But you're not going to find like the biggest hitters here just because they don't have the capacity for that. Okay, so let's talk about how you get into this place. There's going to be a guest list. You can sign up on my link below, or you can buy tickets. I do have a link for that as well. Or if you want to get tables, that's kind of where I come in. Make sure you hit me up. My cell 773-459-8133. Just shoot me a text or give me a call. But this place is going to be the outdoor layout for the tables. Okay, so let's start with the best tables, and you're going to talk about the Grand Cabanas. There's 8 of those. They're going to be, if you're looking at the DJ on the left, and I think it's Cabana 17, I want to say, through 24 over there, and they all have their own plunge pools. Now the 124 has the plunge pool at the end, not facing the DJ, a little more private if you like that. One of my customers always likes to be Cabana 23, and I've had all of them over the years, and they're all good. Okay, they're great. One of the few pool setups in Vegas where you have your own pool for the cabana. And my customers, especially the bigger spenders, love that, okay? You have your own private little party out there, which is great. And then you have your cabanas on the other wall. I think it's Cabana 1 through 16, even though there's only 15 of them. I think 13 is omitted for whatever reason. But there's 15 cabanas. Those are okay. They just have like a couch, a TV, a little bit of room. You don't have your own pool or anything, but they're decent, okay? There's 15 of those cabanas. And then you have your prime daybeds, okay? Those are going to be the ones that are going to be around the pool or closest to the DJ. Those are going to be the best daybeds. They're not that expensive. They're pretty nice. They're kind of like a couch daybed, if you will, and they're pretty good. All right, there's a couple that are behind the DJ that are okay by the West Bar over there. You might like those if you want to be more in like the DJ booth area, if you will. All right, and then there's the daybeds. Okay, the daybeds are going to be a little bit further back, and there's some behind the East Bar, and then in the middle there's a few toward the back of the venue, if you will. Those are going to be your regular daybeds. Now, occasionally, if they're busy enough at a nightclub party, they may have the inside open, and they're going to seat the cloud area inside, and even potentially some of the upper and lower dance floors inside. Okay, but that's pretty rare. Probably won't find that these days, at least for this summer. It'll be interesting to see what they do with the Marquee Nightclub. It's not that big of a space, and there are a couple like inappropriately, if you will, pillars positioned in the middle of the club, so they're going to have to figure out what they're going to do with those. But it'd be interesting. It'd be cool if they remodel the place and make it look really awesome, give it a new life, give it a new vibe. The place is operating on like year 15 right now, so I guess it did kind of need a refresh, and probably be looking for that and a new video from me probably sometime in the fall. So, but my link's below. If you have any questions, do hit me up. My cell phone again is 773-459-8133. We do combine this place with several packages. There are several restaurants we work with around here. We do brunch. We do limo service to and from. We also combine this place with like an Atomic Golf, a Top Golf. Want to do ATVs in the morning. We want to go shooting in the morning. It's all on the table. We can definitely make a custom package for you and your group and make your day amazing. And hit me up about Marquee Day and Nightclub if you want. Coming to Vegas and you have some questions, I'm happy to plan your party. I'm looking forward to working with you. I'm Brian Pfeiffer, signing out here from the Cosmopolitan. We'll talk to you soon.